My gigantic trunk club is here. Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a gigantic trunk club unboxing and try on. I have 17 pounds of clothing to share with you today. I'm so glad that you have joined me for this review. If this is your first time joining me, please be certain to subscribe and join me again for future reviews and try-ons and shopping hauls and everything women's clothing. I'd love to see you again. I'm really excited to get into my trunk. With Trunk Club, your stylist will send you a preview and show you everything that she wants to send to you, and you can decline or accept items. If you decline items, you can ask your stylist to insert something else in its place, and I have done that. She was going to send me a pair of denims that I already own, and I asked her, I said, don't send those, but could you send me some fun, colorful booties? She just sent me a message and said, got it. So I can't wait to see what she has in store for me. If you're not familiar with Trunk Club, this is a style service offered by Nordstrom. And I will leave all of the information that you need about Trunk Club in the description bar below if you would like to get familiar with this service. I also have a referral code. If you would like to use that, I would much appreciate it. If you use my referral code, Trunk Club offers me a little credit in return, and you are also hooked up with my stylist, who I am very, very pleased with. Trunk Club may be my favorite subscription, and the reason being is because I've really got some excellent pieces from Trunk Club. So the quality is Nordstrom's, the price point is Nordstrom's, so that's always a win. I don't mind spending money on my clothing if it's high quality and a piece that is going to stand the test of time. So let's get into this box. This is what my box looks like. I just opened it. We have 2 bundles of clothing, everything wrapped in plastic. And we have shoes. I see Jeffrey Campbell and Blondo, and there's a pair of Steve Madden hidden under there. Okay, I've tried everything on and I'm in trouble. There are so many fabulous pieces. I like way too many. So I'm really gonna need your help in narrowing it down. In my request note to my stylist, I asked her to send me both the fun, colorful booties and transitional pieces. Okay, the first piece I tried on is by Vince Camuto. And this is a lightweight knit sweater with ribbing in it. When I first saw it in the preview, I thought, it's a basic, I'll try it. Now, mind you, Vince Camuto is one of my favorite designers. And once I put this on, I was reminded why. It feels amazing. This is 100% cotton. It feels very, very nice. I love this detail. This contrasting color on the sleeve, that is such a cool detail. And I like the slim fit of this. I'm just kind of tired of the big bulky sweaters, and this could actually even be worn like to the office in the summertime if you have an air-conditioned office. It's that lightweight, a perfect transitional piece. This was sent to me at the cost of $89, but guess what? It is on sale right now at Nordstroms for $66.75. This is a piece I am strongly considering keeping. The next piece are the Emma Ankle Skinnies by DL 1961. And I've tried this brand before and I haven't had luck with them, but I thought, okay, she really wants me to try them. I'll try them. This is a low-rise skinny. So when I got them, I thought, no, I'm not gonna like them. But truthfully, the rise did not bother me at all. It was plenty high enough. See all that stretch? These are absolutely fantastic so far as stretch. These denim are predominantly tencel, which is a super soft fabric. And that's why I think that this one is amazing. I love this step hem, this cutout. I think it really frames a booty very nicely. You don't have to roll them. You can just see your beautiful shoe or booty. Now this lighter gray, I was a little bit afraid of the lighter gray, so please let me know what you think about these. Okay, they're $198. Yep, $200 almost. So let me know if you think these are a $200 investment. I am quite impressed with them. They are a premium denim, and this is the best pair I have ever tried from DL 1961. Here's another one that I couldn't wait to see. This is a Madewell top. This is a sheared sailor top, and it has a funky bell-like sleeve, a much larger sleeve. This is almost in a periwinkle blue and a rust color stripe. I was excited to try this when I saw it in my preview. The cost of this is $59.50. It's Madewell, so that means it's gonna last. This is a good quality top, but I'm a little bit disappointed in the way it fit me. My stylist knows I love sleeve detail, and she sent a couple of those, but this just wasn't very flattering on me. It did have a little bit of a boxy cut. It was almost cropped. I think if I wanted to buy this, I would have to do a front tuck with this. You guys, I'm just not sold on it. It's predominantly cotton. It has some polyester in it, so the good news is it's going to hold its shape. It is a machine wash. There's so many pluses to it. It just didn't look good on me, so I'm gonna pass on this one. Trust me, there's plenty more that I like in here. Next, we have a super lightweight knit sweater by Chelsea 28, and this has got a pleat detail on it, and it is a prominent detail, the pleating right at the shoulder. I've never seen anything like this, and I can't say that I like it either. This is a V-neck. It's a classic cut so far as length, and it's kind of in a cream color, ivory color. Can you see the sparkle? I don't know if the light is picking up. So it does have the sparkle in it, but this is a garment you could wear year round. It's not like obnoxious sparkle that could only be worn during the holidays. It's the sleeve detail that I can't get past. It's really a very nice feeling knit. This one is $75. Although I love sleeve detail, I can't see myself wearing this one, so I'm sending this one back too. Okay, next up is a cardigan. This is by 1901. This is called the Longline cardigan. It's in navy. I don't know if the camera's reading it. It looks like it's reading it black, but it's actually navy, and I like that. I like the deep V of it. I like the buttons. You can wear it buttoned up and it looks great, or you can wear it open and it looks fabulous. Now this one is a lightweight cotton cardigan, so it is going to be easy to wear year round. It's got the pockets that we all love. I mean, there's just everything about this cardigan that I like. I like the longer length cardigans. I'm drawn to them. I wear them more than the shorter length cardigans. This one is $79. This one did not disappoint. It is even better than I expected it to be, and I'm really happy to add this one to my wardrobe. Next up is one of my favorite things. These are the Madewell 10-inch high-rise denims. These are the hold on to your high-rise denims, and they have technology in the pockets to hold your tummy in. I am really a fan of Madewell jeans, and when I saw these in my trunk, they were just a little bit different from the Madewell jeans that I already own. I do own a real dark charcoal colored one, and these are a very dark wash as well, but they're different. My other ones are button up, and these have the zip fly. These have just a released hem on them. The other ones have the scarecrow hem on them, so these are a little bit different. Classic 5 style pocketing. Love the super high waist. Okay, these are normally pretty expensive. $135 is normal for Madewell, but I got these at $128. But guess what? It gets better. They are on sale right now for $89. That's a really, really good price for Madewell jeans, and I like the way that these fit. I think they're different enough to keep them. And also, that's a really nice saving. So I am going to keep these Madewell jeans. Do you guys like them? Let me know what you think about these. I really like them. Next up is a fun piece by Moon River. This is the Slouchy striped sweater, and yes, it is red and white. Actually, I had a white t-shirt underneath this, so I do think this has more of an ivory stripe to it, although it looks red and white on the camera. I love this. Now, this is a thicker knit than any of the items that she sent, but it doesn't feel like a big, heavy, really warm sweater. It's got a nice V on it. Check out the detail on that V with the unmatching. I love that. I am all about that. I like the diagonal stripes going every direction. The open sleeve on the cuff here, I think that's fabulous. And we also have, which side is it? There it is. We have that little cutout on one side of the sweater. Now they call this a slouchy sweater, so I assume it's supposed to be worn casually. I mean, would you ever wear this formally? This is really a Kelly sweater. I think it looks fabulous with red boots. I could wear my red kicks with it. I could wear so much with this. This might find its way to Valentine's, not date night Valentine's, but to Valentine's events this year. I love it. It's $69. I think that's a great price for it. Again, it's Moon River, $69. Be honest. I know it looks like a candy striper, but isn't it the most adorable candy striper you ever saw? I was looking forward to this piece. This is a color block sweater by 1901. Now this one is a slim fit. Look at these fun colors. Isn't it fabulous? I like this one. It is a thin knit. It is ribbed. It's a crew neck, a pretty high crew neck, and it buttons in the back. Now when I received this, I thought, look at those buttons. And I tried it on backwards and I did not like it. No kidding. I mean, go figure. But then I saw the tag and I just thought it was a really weird neckline. When I turned it the correct way, you guys see it in the try-on, I really liked it. Again, this is one that I think could be worn into the summer. You could wear this into the office if your office is air conditioned. This is really, to me, a year-round piece. I love it. I love the color blocking. I think it's done nicely. What do you think about it? It's $69. See what I mean? I'm in trouble here. $69 for this one. Okay, these I need your help with. These are a black denim by AG. They're called the Prima Mid-Rise Cigarette Jeans, and these are in all black. They feel really, really nice on. The reason I need your help is because I do not own a pair of AG denim and I have always wanted some. Let me know what you think about the fit on these. There's a lot of stretch in these. These were plenty long and they have a finished hem on them. They were actually, I had to double roll them to wear them with booties. I think these feel very nice on. But I'm gonna tell you the truth. As far as black denim go, I kind of like my J. Crew denim better than these. My J. Crew black denim are ankle pants, and the difference here is these are a full-length denim. These would look really nice with a pair of pumps. These are almost like a dress denim if there's such a thing. I mean, you could wear these to work. They're very clean. They're very nice. They were also $178. I look at these and I wonder how much wear I will get out of them. I do have a couple pair of black denim, so that part is covered. The thing that I don't have is AG denim, and I don't know that these are the pair for me. Maybe just a regular wash is what I need. I was very happy to try them. They didn't disappoint. $178. You guys are looking at them. Should I keep them? Is it an investment worth making? Please let me know. My stylist delivered on booties. She sent me 3 pairs, and the first pair are these olive Chelsea booties, and these are by Steve Madden. These are called the Dover booty, and I like them. I just purchased olive colored booties last week, and I had no idea what color booties my stylist was sending to me. I'm so glad that she listened and sent me some great options. And these are a very nice booty. I might be interested in picking them up in a different color if it's a fun color, but very comfortable. A slip-on. These are a leather suede. They do have a synthetic sole, but there's grip on it. It's about a 1.5-inch block heel, and we do have the goring, that elastic on the sides, and I really like that it's the same color and not black. It kind of blends in, and like I said, it's an easy pull-on. I had no problem getting into these. These are the best price booty and the whole lot. These are $99.95. I think I can safely send these back because I'm quite satisfied with the olive colored booties that I got. Now these are a nicer quality than those, but I've got the olive booty covered for now. The next pair of booties that she sent, these are a dark taupe booty. So don't have dark taupe. I actually held these up to my other taupe booties, and there is a big difference in color. So these are Blondo, and that means they are waterproof booties. So these are really nice if you live in a wet climate, and I don't. These are $149.95. Well, I live in the desert, so I don't necessarily need a waterproof booty, but I thought, what the hey, they're here, let me try them on. One of my favorite YouTubers, Tisha H, wears her Blondo booties quite a bit, and she always raves about them. So I thought, here's my chance to try them. Wow, are they comfortable. On top of being a really pretty boot, they're comfortable. They have a padded insole. There's padding on the inside, so they're really super comfortable. They have about a 1.5 inch block heel as well. There's a zipper to make it easy to get into it, and also a little bit of goring in the same color on the side. They have a rounded almond shaped toe, which is fine. I think that these are kind of like an everyday booty so far as color, the comfort level, the heel length. I mean, I think everything about this booty is really nice, and I hear such great reviews about it. I'm actually thinking about adding these as well because I don't have any Blondo. They've got a really nice gripping sole on the bottom, which it doesn't matter where you live. Everyone can benefit from a sole like this. I'm thinking about trying these. I have to crunch numbers, you know I do, but yeah, I'm quite impressed with these. And the last pair of booties, and my favorite booties, of course, this is almost like a berry red, like a cranberry. It's not Christmas red necessarily, and so I appreciate that. These are so beautiful and very comfortable. I wore them for most of the try-on. They have these deep, deep notches in them, so you will be showing off a little foot. If that bothers you, this probably isn't the booty. If you're looking for something where you want to wear a sock to stay warm, this might not be the booty for you, but this is about a 2.5 inch. Look at that curve on that heel as well. Isn't that cool? I love a little funky heel. These are a slip-on. They were real easy to get on. Now, my stylist sent me a half size up, so they must run small. And I walked around in them and I thought that they were fine. So I am gonna wear these a little bit and make sure that the half size up is okay for me. Now, these are a Western inspired booty. They're still a bit of an almond toe there. Aren't they lovely? This is all leather. It's a synthetic sole and it's a sleek sole, so that can be a little bit slippery. I think this boot is perfection. You all know this is a Kelly boot, so these are definitely staying. In fact, they match so many of the pieces that she sent today. I added up everything in this trunk, and if I bought everything, it would be $1,269.08. And the total of what I want to buy is $856.63. So yeah, I want to send $400 worth of merchandise back, but I don't have a budget to spend $856 today. So please let me know what your favorites are. I know I'm going to keep the red boots. I know I will keep the Madewell jeans. I'm just not sure about everything else. So please weigh in. Let me know what your favorites are and help a girl out because I like this trunk. I think she did a really good job this time. Like I said before, if you need more information, everything you need to know about Trunk Club is in the description bar below. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up? I look forward to your comments, and I'll be back in just 2 days. That looks like 4 days, but it's really 2 days with another video for you. So please be sure you don't miss that one. Tap the bell so you can see that one, and I'll see you in a couple days. Blessings to all of you.